So the truncated athletic season has come and gone in a whiff, with of course double Olympic sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Herah winning the season on points. After her world leading 1085 and 1087 over the 100 meters. But that alone grabbed my attention. In reference to her blistering form and her long-standing Achilles injury, Elaine was quoted as saying, her longtime coach, Stephen Francis, is a genius because nothing much has changed with her training. All she's doing is what her genius coach tells her to do. Now, first of all, I hope she's really and truly over that injury and it won't act up anytime soon, especially with the defense of her Olympic titles coming up in Tokyo next year. But I also found it interesting that in all these years of ups and downs and failures and successes, I have never heard Elaine Thompson refer to Fano as a genius. So question, is it because she's now getting the full attention she needs? And this is in turn because her former stablemate and rival, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, has been training elsewhere with a different coach. And that is making Elaine happier and more contented to be spending so much more time with her newly crowned genius coach. I don't know, we're not really sure, but I'm just saying, I don't know. I tell you what.